Hi everyone. Today lesson is CSS icons. Today we are going to learn about CSS icons. To use icons like front awesome icons, bootstrap icons, or Google icons. We can use any of these three icons to display in our web page. Let's look the first one, font awesome icons. You can use the font awesome icon with a single code. The step is pretty simple and easy. First of all, you need to visit the Font Awesome icon site, which is this one. Let's visit this site first. Copy and open with next page. And create an icon and get the code of the icon you need to use. Apply the Font Awesome code in the header section. To use the Font Awesome code, you need this link of the Font Awesome icon in your header section of your style sheets. And this is the font awesome icons. You need to use it like this. This is the another syntax of awesome icons. Here you can see that in the HTML page on the head section we have provided the style sheet of the font icon. Here you can see that all the CSS, which is the this is the font icon CSS, and these are the icons we are using. And this is the output of the icons. This first one is the calculator. You can see the calculator. Second is the Bosch. Third is the comment. User, text, thumb up. If you have if you miss this link, it won't be linked to the font or icons, and you won't be able to display this one. So to display this icon in your web page, you must have to provide the link on the head section first and use the icon whichever you like to use and wherever you like to add in your web page. Let's see the example of font awesome here. The font awesome icon, as you said, that you need to first create an account and then go inside to use the icon. Yeah, this is the list of the icons you can use it. This is the icons. Let's try to go through. Yeah, awesome icons. Good icons. She has told it and this is awesome. You can use this icon. As I already told you already that you need this link to use with a font or some icon. Let's see if I remove this link. See the icon will not be displayed because this code doesn't mean that you get the icons from source or link from where you get these icons. So you put it here by the link, and this is the links where you get the icons. Or you want to use the arrows. So Okay, let's remove this. Use this icon. You have to use the icon fast like this. So let's copy this one. Copy HTML. Go back. Let's see this here. If you want to use other one, okay, click this one, copy and paste it here. So it is copied the same, and it looks like the comment. This is copied on. Yeah, this is the way you use the icon. And here you can see this output of the icons. This this is the way you can use either of the three icons, um, font awesome icons or bootstrap icons or Google icons. Whichever icons you feel easy to use on your web page, you can use any of these. These are CSS icons. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.